My name is Senior Associate Professor Michael Solder from the University of New South Wales, and the presentation summarises the findings of our study looking at the role of parents in producing child sexual abuse material of their children. So the common assumption is when it comes to abuse images and videos and online exploitation of kids, that children are most at risk from offenders outside the family who are accessing them through the internet. But what we know, in fact, is that parents are often producing abuse material in the home and then using the internet to broadcast that material. So we were looking to really highlight this pattern of offending and to understand in more detail what do these cases look like and what are the opportunities to intervene early and to take this abuse before it occurs or while it's occurring for the benefit of these children. The study really highlights certainly that some men, I think, are having children in order to abuse those children, and so they are the biological children, but the abuse begins quite early, and I think we can assume that they were fairly premeditated. That was just over half of the sample of male offenders, but there was also a proportion of men who were partnering with women who already had kids. And that was a distinct pattern of offending where it really does look like those men were looking for single mums and they were looking to target single mums to victimise their children. So again, it just highlights the different sorts of ways that we might be able to make it harder for these guys to groom women and to manipulate women so that they can abuse their kids. Sexual abuse within the family is a really difficult area of public policy, and it is an area that's neglected because it's so challenging. If we neglect abuse within the family, we're not only abandoning those kids, but we are ignoring a key side of child sexual exploitation. We will not be able to stop the flow of images and videos online until we acknowledge that families are implicated in a really significant way. So I think there is some complex thinking to be done here about what are the opportunities to detect this abuse by parents, what are the opportunities to stop it before it occurs, and how do we intervene sensitively in family environments that might be concealing or obscuring sexual exploitation.